This is just a quick video to show you how I installed a brake on the Next SUV by Powerslide. So basically I ordered the big brakes itself for their Nordic line. I removed the side panels, and in the middle you have this element, which is the brake itself. And the brake has 4 holes in here. I don't know if you can see them well. Let me try to get some light. Or on the other side. And basically I put 2 holes in the back side of my skate, and then they provide the screw to screw it on, and then I use the 2 other screws to adjust the height of the back brake. So then I just have to remount them, but as you see I customized the next a bit. But basically when you lean forward, the brake is just above the tire, and when you lean backward it works well in stopping the brake, stopping the wheel, sorry. So if you have any question, just write it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. I'm going to try to show you how it works, but I'm not very good with a cell phone filming at the same time as a skate, so I'll do my best. I'll try another one. So it has a tendency to really lock the wheel if you're not going fast. There is no ABS on it, but it's very effective. So hopefully I can save a bit my tires and enjoy riding.